Still searching for the perfect rice cooker? We've got 7 more top picks that take convenience, speed, and flavor to the next level. From compact options to multifunction powerhouses, the first part of this video is already uploaded on our channel, video link available in the description. Let's check out the best rice cookers on Amazon. At number 1 we have Zojirushi NSZCC10 Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi Neuro Fuzzy Rice Cooker and Warmer features advanced fuzzy logic technology, which allows the rice cooker to think for itself and make fine adjustments to temperature and heating time to cook perfect rice every time. 5.5 cup computerized rice cooker and warmer with advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology. Wall mountable. Multi-menu selections, automatic keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheat cycles. Spherical, non-stick inner pan allows for uniform heating, LCD clock and timer, retractable cord. Menu settings include white, regular/sushi, softer or harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free and quick cooking. Includes 2 measuring cups, non-stick rice spoon/scooper, rice spoon holder, and recipes. Note, please ensure to measure rice in the cup that comes along with the product only. At number 2 we have COMFEE Compact Rice Cooker, 6-in-1 stainless steel. Use 6 digital cooking programs including white rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook, quinoa and oatmeal functions. 8-cup cook capacity yields up to 8 cups of cooked rice. Its space-saving design is perfect for preparing small meals or tasty sides. The multi-use programmable rice cooker is user-friendly with digital panel and LED display, features 6 one-touch programs, automatically switches to keep warm for 12 hours and 12-hour delay timer is designed for flexible meal planning. Stainless steel external housing is easy to wipe clean. With the non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot is like a breeze. The inner pot and all of the included accessories are dishwasher safe. Built-in overheating protection. Made of BPA-free food-grade material. Cool touch handle ensures your safety when you open the cooker. At number 3 we have COSORI Rice Cooker 10 cup, 24 hours keep warm. Choose from different types of white and brown rice with texture options, 3 types of grains, 3 types of oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and sauté-flavored rice. Whether you're a cooking novice or an experienced home cook, our rice cooker uses fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust the 7-step cooking process, ensuring that you can get fluffy and evenly results. You can enjoy warm and fresh rice anytime with the automatic 24-hour keep warm and 24-hour delay timer functions. The perfect rice is worth the wait, and our quick rice feature allows you to cook white rice more quickly in a pinch at 1000 watts of power without sacrificing taste or quality. All accessories including non-stick inner pot and removable lid are dishwasher safe. Choose from long grain rice like jasmine rice, medium or short grain rice like sushi or sweet rice, and porridge like congee. You can also customize the textures of your white rice by choosing between soft, regular, and hard. At number 4 we have Toshiba Rice Cooker. This large rice cooker offers 7 cooking functions including mixed rice, quick rice, brown rice, white rice, multigrain rice, porridge, and steel-cut oats. With settings for porridge, soup, stew, and steaming, this sticky rice cooker can handle a variety of grains, meats, and vegetables. Fuzzy logic technology allows this Japanese rice cooker to sense the moisture content of the rice and adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. Sleek and stylish, this electric rice cooker 6-cup is designed with a user-friendly interface. The digital display and menu options allow users to easily select the desired cooking program and adjust settings as needed. This white rice cooker is designed for easy care to produce delicious rice for years to come. Inner cooking pot has a non-stick surface that makes cleaning a breeze. At number 5 we have Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Rice Cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer and food warmer. Intuitive and simple, our improved easy release steam switch makes releasing steam easier than ever, and it automatically resets when the lid is closed. The easy-to-read display includes a full cooking progress bar, lets you know what stage of the cooking program you've reached. 15 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more. Food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a triply bottom offers more even cooking and an anti-spin design that secures the pot for perfect sautéing. Pressure-cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow-cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Fingerprint-resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. At number 6 we have COMFEE Rice Cooker 12 cups cooked/6 cups uncooked. Allows this rice maker to sense the moisture content of the rice, adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. Results in perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time, without the need for manual adjustments or guesswork. Allows this rice maker to sense the moisture content of the rice, adjust the temperature and cooking time accordingly. Results in perfectly cooked fluffy rice every time, without the need for manual adjustments or guesswork. The multi-use programmable rice cooker is user-friendly with LCD touch control panel, automatically switches to keep warm. 30 minutes fast cook can be flexible with your cooking plans. This compact rice cooker can cook up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, 12 cups cooked, perfect for families. The portable size and convenient handle make it easy to store, and also convenient to take out camping. With the non-stick coating, the cleaning of the inner pot is like a breeze. All the inner pot, steam valve base and upper lid are removable for hand wash. At number 7 we have Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, 4-cup, uncooked, 8-cup, cooked. Whether you are in the mood for steamed veggies, white rice, brown rice, oatmeal, and risotto, you can accomplish it all with this perfect programmed cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are. The built-in steamer function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above while rice, soup, or any other meal addition cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. This multi-cooker not only includes all of your favorite cooking options, but also possesses the unique options of slow cook, making meals rich, tasty, and a guaranteed family favorite. Once your meals are finished cooking, the cooker will automatically switch to keep warm mode, so there's no need for monitoring or stirring, and your food will remain at ideal serving temperatures. Lastly, this unit comes equipped with a programmable 15-hour delay timer that is perfect for families on the go.